Luminate App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how focus and relaxation apps have evolved in 2025. Luminate claims to improve brain states, creativity, and sleep, but does it actually work? The surprising truth is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming advanced brainwave apps are complicated or expensive. Luminate provides a user-friendly mobile interface, guided sessions, and audio-visual light stimulation to enhance focus, creativity, and relaxation. One major advantage is versatility. You won't believe what happens next when you see sessions target different goals, from deep focus for work to meditative states for stress reduction and improved sleep. Users can adjust intensity, duration, and frequency to suit personal preferences. Scientific backing is promising. The app uses patented visual and auditory techniques to synchronize brainwaves, potentially boosting creativity, focus, and mental clarity. Users report noticeable effects after regular use. However, there are cons. Results vary between individuals, and some may not experience significant benefits. Sessions require headphones and a dimly lit environment, which can limit convenience. Subscription costs may also be a barrier for some users. In conclusion, Luminate in 2025 is ideal for those seeking a tech-assisted way to enhance focus, creativity, or relaxation. While individual results and costs are factors to consider, the combination of versatility, guided sessions, and innovative brainwave techniques makes Luminate a compelling app for mental performance and well-being.